Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to understand a simple SQL table called employees and learn how data is stored inside a database table. Don't worry if you are new to SQL. I'll explain everything step by step in a very simple way. First, let's look at the create table statement. This command creates a table named employees. Think of a table like an Excel spreadsheet. Each row represents one employee and each column stores a specific type of information about that employee. Let's understand each column one by one. Employee ID. This column stores a unique ID for every employee. Its data is integer, which means it stores whole numbers. Name. This column stores employee names in VARCHAR. 50 means it can store up to 50 characters. Department. This column stores a department where the employee works such as IT, HR, finance or marketing. Salary. This column stores the employee's salary as a whole number. Age. This column stores the age of the employee. City. This column stores the city where the employee is located. HireDate. This column stores the date when the employee joined the company. After creating the table, we insert data using the insert into statement. Insert into employees, values and then open parenthesis where each set of values inside parenthesis represents one employee record. Let's look at the first employee. 1 John IT and 70,000, 28 New York and a date. This means employee ID is 1. The employee's name is John and he works in the IT department. His salary is 70,000. He is 28 years old. He lives in New York and he joined the company on May 10th, 2021. Now let's look at the overall data stored in the table. We have employees from different departments including IT, HR, finance, marketing. Employees are located in cities such as New York, Chicago, Boston, Seattle. Salaries range from 55,000 to 95,000 and employees have different ages and hiring dates. This type of employee table is commonly used to practice SQL queries. For example, we can answer questions like how many employees work in IT, which employees has the highest salary, what is the average salary in each department, which employees were hired after 2021, how many employees are in each city. All of these questions can be answered using SQL queries. For example, if we want to see all employees, we can write select all from employees. This query displays every row and every column from the employees table. To summarize, we created an employees table. We defined columns to store employee information. We inserted employee records into the table. And this data can now be used to practice SQL queries such as select, where, group by, order by and many more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next SQL tutorial.